Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to allow everyone to reply to your post on X. Whether you want to keep the conversation open or encourage more engagement, this quick update will show you exactly how to adjust your reply settings step by step. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where the post was made. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a small menu with different options. From there, tap on Profile. You'll now see your profile page with all your posts displayed. Next, scroll to find the post you want to edit. Once you found it, look to the top right corner of that post and tap on the three dots. This icon opens a list of options for managing your post. From that list, choose Change Who Can Reply. This option lets you control who's allowed to respond to that specific post. You might see options like people you follow or only people you mention, but for this tutorial, we're selecting the one that opens your replies up to everyone. So tap on everyone. Once you do that, the setting updates right away. Now, any user on X can reply to your post even if you don't follow them. Allowing everyone to reply can be great for open discussions, collecting opinions, or increasing engagement on your post. Just keep in mind that with more visibility and replies, you may want to monitor your comments more closely. And that's it. You've successfully changed your reply settings on X. The next time you post or update one of your existing tweets, you'll know exactly how to make sure the reply section is open to everyone. If this walkthrough helped you, consider checking out more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.